Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I have some beautiful rustic farmhouse Christmas DIYs. These are very easy and budget friendly. I use mostly Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's craft. I'm going to start off by using two of these Dollar Tree Decor signs. I want to make a large sign, so I am putting these together. To put these together, I am using some paint sticks. I'm using 3 of the 1-gallon ones, and 2 other ones are just scraps that I had. I am going to glue them to the back using hot glue. The 2 smaller ones, I am going to put them right where the holes are at, so that's kind of going to cover them. So when I flip the sign around, it's going to have glue inside the little hole. But it doesn't really matter because I am putting the tree over it and you won't be able to see them. I painted my sign using the Waverly chalk paint in white. Then I drew some wood planks. Then I went over it with antique wax. Now I'm going to go over it once again using a light hand and dry brushing it with some more white. My plan was just to go a little bit with the white, but I ended up adding way too much, and yeah, this is what happened. I did leave it streaky to where you can still see the brown. So guys, it's totally up to you if you want to skip the antique wax underneath. But yeah. The next thing I did was just go over the lines using a paint marker, but as you can see, I did mess up again. So all I did was just distress it and made it a little bit more even by distressing the rest of the sign with a little bit of black paint. And that is it for this sign. Now moving on to the Christmas tree. I am using this Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I am taking this apart, removing the garland. It is so easy, guys. I thought it was going to be harder, but it's just wrapped around this plastic. I am going to wrap this plastic around with some jute string. So in order for that green not to show, I am going to paint it using my Waverly chalk paint in Hazelnut. This wire or plastic not wire, my bad, has a little hole at the top, so I am going to tie the jute string, and that is where I'm going to start from. Then I'm going to just wrap it around those pointy things that the tree has. Once I am done all the way at the bottom, I'm going to just tie it. I didn't go around the trunk of the tree. I am going to cut this. And because this jute string from Dollar Tree is way too thin, I decided to go over it again with a Walmart one, which is way thicker. And I'm going to repeat the same thing, just go around the whole Christmas tree using those little pointy things. And it looks so much better with the one from Walmart, but you can totally do like 3 layers for this to look like this using the Dollar Tree one. I made this beautiful bow using some burlap ribbon and this beautiful dotted red ribbon that I got from Walmart. And I'm also using these bells. These I got them from Dollar General. 6 came in a pack and I just love them. So I am putting 2 of them on a jute string. Then I'm going to tie them to the top of the Christmas tree. Then I'm going to add the bow on the top for the tree topper. The next thing I will be doing is gluing the Christmas tree using hot glue to my sign. I wanted to add something at the bottom. I did add some floral first, but I don't know, I kind of didn't like it. So I did have this Dollar Tree large home sign that I got a while back. This metal usually blends in a lot with the white sign, so I am going to make it a little bit darker using the Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. I wanted to cover the holes that this sign has, so I am putting some hot glue. Then I'm going to paint it using the same Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. And as you can see right here, when I'm gluing it down to my sign, you can't even see them. And that is it for this beautiful large sign. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can put it on a table or you can even hang it from the wall using the little holes it has on top. I wanted something to complement the sign, so I am going to use one of these Dollar Tree buckets. They have the jute string around the top. I know they have like 2 different sizes. They have this tall one and a shorter but wider one. I am using the tall one, and as you can see, I am going to distress it a little bit more to make it more matte and less shinier. Also, this is going to match my home sign in the first DIY. I am adding the word joy at the bottom, and I use these stickers that I found while I was moving. These are from Walmart, I believe. I know they're like 2 years old because I barely found them, but Dollar Tree carries different poster stickers you can use. I am also using this beautiful ribbon that I picked up from Walmart. I am only gluing it at the very top. I finally found these mini ornaments from Walmart, and I'm going to use the one that has a Christmas tree. I did remove the string it has because I'm going to add it to this bow that I made using the same ribbon. When I made the bow, I used a long piece of string to tie it, so like that I can add this tag from there. I'm going to glue this right here. I will be adding another bow right on top of it. I made one using the jute string. For the picks, I will be using 2 of the Dollar Tree ones, and they are kind of short, so I'm going to use the plastic garland that I removed from our first DIY and put it in there, so like that it can work as stuffing. I'm also adding another piece of garland just so that green one doesn't show. And look how beautiful this arrangement turned out. I absolutely love how this looks. The next DIY is so easy and simple to do. I'm using one of these galvanized buckets. I got this from Dollar General. It was $1. Dollar Tree carries similar ones like this one. I'm going to put some jute string in the middle just so this can match my second DIY. I removed this greenery part off from the ornament that Dollar Tree carries, and it is perfect for this. I also had to remove the pine cones because they have a wire in the back, and in order for this to lay straight and flat on the bucket, I did have to remove them, but I am going to glue them back. Now for the LED, you can use whatever you have. I am using this one that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back, but Dollar Tree always carries these, but smaller of course. I'm adding some of the burlap ribbon to the top part just to make this prettier and nicer. And then I'm going to add some of the same red ribbon right in the middle. I'm going to repeat what I did in my second DIY. I'm going to make a bow, then add one of the tags from the little pack I got from Walmart. And this makes it look so much better. I absolutely love how this turned out, and it matches the rest of my decor. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn off the notification bell button so you can get notified when I upload. Until next time, bye.